Ethereum's on its way back down after an 18% pump over the last 2 days. Let's see where it's heading next. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident, and today I'm going to be talking to you about where I think Ethereum is going after the entire crypto market pumped. Ethereum saw an 18% move up, and now it is on its way back down, especially according to the indicators. Speaking of which, there's only 48 hours left to get up to $450 off the Trade Confident indicators. So if you want to see how to get access to that, wait till the end of the video. If you want to get it now, links are in the description. Don't miss out. Again, we have 48 hours left in the sale. Now, there isn't much news today regarding Ethereum. Pretty much all the news in the market is talking about the pump that happened after the last couple of days. So if you want to get more information on that, be sure to watch the last 2 videos that we put out. They are super important. I'll put them in the link in the description as well. These videos will talk about what happened and exactly why the market pumped the way it did. With that, let's get into the Ethereum analysis. Right now, I'm on the TradeConfident.io website looking at Ethereum USD using the TC top and bottom finder and the market reversal metrics here. If you want access to these metrics and a lot more, be sure to sign up for the membership in the link in the description below. But these were last updated this morning, October 27th. Now, we have seen our first bearish candle after the huge pump that happened here. Ethereum did push out this red zone, indicating a very likely move down, and that's exactly what we're seeing. Now, we are above this blue line. So really all that remains to be seen is if we continue above this blue line, if we are going to continue this uptrend. If the price structure stays above the blue line, it typically means that we are in for an uptrend. If it's below, as you see right here, as it's trending down, you'll see the price structure stay below that blue line. So we could see Ethereum use this blue line as structure support, meaning that we could stay in an uptrend soon, but we will keep everyone updated. On top of pushing outside of this red section, we saw 3 major market reversal red bars right here. These red bars are the highest that we've seen in this history on this metric right here. These are super high and again are likely to indicate a strong move down. We saw it top out here. The second one's lower, so we could see the next one be even lower, showing that this candle likely was the top for now. I want to show you some macro metrics. These are also available with the Trade Confident membership here. It is super important to pay attention to as many metrics as you can. The larger the better, as you'll be able to see larger trends in the market. Now you'll see on the Ethereum emotional index, every time we see a peak into this excited or greedy territory, it results in a price move down. Look right here, boom, move down. Check this one out, guys. Right here, it hit into the greedy territory and fell really fast. It happened here. And again, we are in greedy territory right here, and the price is moving down. Now, I think we could be seeing structure support, and I'll get more into that when we move over to TradingView. The famous quote is, "Be fearful when others are greedy and greedy when others are fearful." If the emotional sentiment moves into greedy territory, we are going to see a big move down, more than likely, so there is reason to be fearful. Those that could take profit or in profit, it may be a good idea to do so. Of course, this is not financial advice. Ethereum long and short trades also is seeing short trades level out and maybe even a small move up. Long trades are mostly even at this point. This right here shows me that short trades are beginning to gain sentiment, and if we scroll down to the Ethereum whale and institutional smart money, we can see that whale sentiment is heavily moved towards shorts after this major pump. Orange bars to the lower side indicates short sentiment, bars up indicate long sentiment, and again right here you can see a huge cluster of orange bars really far down. This bar right here is again the farthest down that we see in the history of this metric right now. So right now we are seeing major bearish sentiment for Ethereum. Macro metrics are super important and they are all printing bearish right now. This means that we are likely to see moves down just based on those metrics alone. But right now I'm going to take a closer look at TradingView and show you on smaller charts where we could be heading in the near future. Right now I'm looking at Ethereum USD on the 4-hour time frame here. My TC top and bottom finder is set to 10. I'm also looking at the trend exhaustion and price versus whale money flow indicators. Now, checking out the price action here, we can see that Ethereum pushed outside of this red region. This is majorly bullish, but the TC top and bottom finder has not yet set a sell signal. Let me show you why. Right now, we do have a bull flag printing. While I don't think that this bull flag is quite going to perform as most often do, I do think we could see a move up because of this. It will be very short-lived. Typically, you can predict a bull flag's move up by taking the top of the flagpole and drawing a vertical line down to the bottom, and then taking the flag and moving it to where you think it could break out. The top of that line is typically where it'll break out. This one's indicating about $1,820, but again, I don't think we're going to see that. In order to do that, we need the support of whale money, and as you can see, it's actually moving out of the market. Trend exhaustion is high, price versus whale money flow is high. Both are moving down, and because of that, the price is moving down along with it. But I do think it's possible that we're going to see it bounce off of this structure support on the bear flag and move back up. I don't think it's going to move very, very high. Let's switch over to the 1-day time frame to see where we could see that structure top. Right now, we are seeing structure resistance at about $1,640, right about here. Switching over to the 4-hour time frame again, this is the absolute maximum that I think we are going to see Ethereum hit. However, that is very, very short term. I don't expect that move up to last long, even if it does reach $1,600. It is important to talk about that because we do have a bull flag printing, but we do need to pay attention to the trend exhaustion and price versus whale money flow as well. Let's check out the 1-day time frame here again, and it'll give you a kind of a more accurate picture of where we're sitting. The trend exhaustion does have a little bit more room to move up. That does support the $1,600 range. Price versus whale money flow also does actually have some room to move up still. Typically, that's where we're looking for the price versus whale money flow to be overbought. Now, this doesn't always happen in a bear market. Typically, it's going to favor the lower end of the chart. But for right now, it does seem like we do have a little bit of a possible move up. But again, this will be very short-lived. After that, I think we could hit structure support at $1,470 and then move our way back to $1,350. Back down to previous structure resistance that has turned into structure support after this crazy move up. Another important note is that on November 2nd, this is coming up very, very quickly. This red line indicates when the FOMC meeting is coming next. Now, this is where we're expecting an additional 75 basis point rate hike. Previous times when this happens, the price structure moves down. We see a decrease up until the event, and then people typically buy the news and then sell it off immediately again. That's happened multiple times in a row now, and I don't see any reason it would be different this time around. Of course, we will keep everyone updated. This is Wednesday of next week. To sum everything up, this bull flag will likely push us up to resistance level at $1,640 here, and following that, we will likely see moves down in anticipation of the FOMC meeting on November 2nd to $1,470. After that, we will be keeping everyone updated on what happens next, but by the end of next week, we could see as far down as $1,360 to meet previous structure resistance on Ethereum. Of course, we will keep everyone updated. These are kind of broad spectrum predictions right now. It is hard to tell exactly where the market's going to go because we don't have a lot of data after this major pump. Again, we will keep everyone updated every single weekday. Now, if you want to get access to the indicators you saw in this video, we have 48 hours left in this sale. In this sale, you can get up to $450 off all 11 of Trade Confidence indicators. If you want to get access, click the link in the description to bring yourself to this page. Again, this ends Friday, October 28th. Do not miss this opportunity. In order to get the best deal possible, you're going to want to snag the bundle pack here using coupon code SAVEME50 for $50 off of the bundle pack. This includes the price versus whale money flow and trend exhaustion indicators you saw me use in this video, as well as 7 other amazing indicators. No matter what you purchase, it's going to be lifetime access for a one-time payment. You won't have to have recurring buys here. And the best part about this bundle pack is it includes a $400 coupon for the TC top and bottom finder and TC market reversal indicators as well. This is where that full $450 discount comes. Now, if you want to buy the TC top and bottom finder by itself, be sure to use code SAVEME250 to get $250 off. But again, in order to get the best value possible, you want to snag the bundle pack and the TC top and bottom finder to get all 11 indicators that Trade Confident offers. Again, it's lifetime access for a one-time payment, and no matter what you do, even if you're not a member, you don't have the indicators, just shoot us an email at betradeconfident@gmail.com. Even if you just have general trading questions, we provide full dedicated support for our followers, clients, and customers. In conclusion, Ethereum saw a major 18% pump over the last few days, but it is very short-lived. At most, we could see a move up to $1,640, but more than likely, we're going to see a fall to about $1,450 in anticipation of the FOMC meeting on Wednesday, November 2nd. So be sure to keep updated on that. Be sure to subscribe if you want to stay updated. With that, remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the next video.